In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Salesforce and import Salesforce objects in Power BI. Start by opening Power BI Desktop. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the home ribbon. From here, click Get Data. This opens the full list of available connectors so you can pull data from external systems. In the search box, type Salesforce to quickly find the right connector. You'll see a few options. Choose Salesforce Objects. This connector brings in the underlying tables from your Salesforce org, which is ideal when you want full row-level access to standard and custom objects rather than pre-built reports. Next, select the environment. Choose production, then confirm by selecting OK. Production points to your live Salesforce organization, which is what most users need when building real reports. A browser window will open to handle authentication. Sign in with your Salesforce username and password and complete any verification your organization requires. After a successful sign-in, the browser will close or return you to Power BI automatically, and the connection will be established using your credentials. Now the navigator window appears. This is where you choose the Salesforce tables, also called objects, that you want to bring into Power BI. You can scroll through the list or use the search box to find what you need. Standard objects like account, contact, and opportunity are available, and custom objects typically end with a C. Select one or more objects by checking the boxes. As you click, a preview shows sample rows and columns so you can verify you've got the right data. It's a good idea to select only what you truly need at this stage to keep your model lean and refreshes faster. At the bottom, decide how you want to proceed. Click Load to import the selected objects as they are. This is the quickest path if your data is already clean or you're just exploring. If you want to shape the data before it lands in your model, click Transform Data. That opens Power Query, where you can filter rows, remove unneeded columns, rename fields, set correct data types, and expand related fields from lookups. Doing a bit of cleanup here can improve performance and make your visuals more reliable. When you're done, apply your changes or proceed with load. You'll see the import progress at the bottom of Power BI. Once it completes, your Salesforce tables appear in the Fields pane, ready for you to build visuals, relationships, and measures. That's it. You've connected to Salesforce, selected your objects, and brought them into Power BI in a clean, controlled way.